Hello dear student, I welcome you all in highway engineering subject and the subject code is 1615504. Today we are going to see unit number 5, that is traffic engineering. In that, this is lecture number 4. Myself Daniel Swami, I am lecturer of civil department, GEMS Polytechnic College, Aurangabad, Bihar. Let us discuss about the content of this lecture. In traffic engineering, today we will study about what is an road intersection, type of intersection and choice, intersection at guide. Let us discuss about these three topics in detail. First of all, we will see what is an road intersection. Road intersection is where two or more road meets and or are the point or a potential vehicle conflicts. There are critical elements of a road section. They are normally a major bottleneck to the smooth flow of traffic and major accident spots. The general principle of designing in both rural and urban areas are the same. The dangerous to the pedestrian and rider of two-wheeled vehicles are also great at intersection. Intersection is what? Intersection is nothing but a crossing of roads. That, as we can see, intersection can be in plus form or it can be into form. That here will be the lane which intersects, and by this you have to move, or in this direction you have to move, or you have to move in this direction, or you have to move in this direction. And this is in Hindi or in normal language we tell as chalk. You can understand. So this is known as road intersection. Grade separation is a form of intersection in which one or more conflicts movement of intersection highway are segregated in space. That grade separation, as we know that if the movement of vehicles, there will be a grade separation for different types of vehicles. An intersection, an interchange is a grade separation which connects roadways, which allows the route transfer between the intersection highway. As we can see, there will be suppose this is normal highway is here, there will be a normal small intersection between the highway, or the crossings will be, and this intersection plays a road intersection. An intersection is there, the highest form of intersection design, and if we follow the rules, there will be sign that will indicate you there is an intersection on the road ahead. So while driving a vehicle you can blow horn and cross this intersection for a safety moment of your vehicle as well as the passenger which are sitting in that vehicle. The type of interchange, the shape and pattern of the interchange ramp for the various turning movement and their design are governed by a several factors such as the importance of the intersecting highway, the number of intersecting legs, and the design volume of a through and turning traffic movement include the conception and the design speed and availability of right of way and topography. These are the things which will be known, and according to that intersection will be placed. Interchange therefore are necessarily designed individual in a light of above consideration, as we should know the composition of the soil and design speed, how much design speed the vehicle will move in that available payment, and the availability of right of way and the topography of that area will show or give the all information about the intersection. And this is the important intersection of highway and the number of intersecting leg which design the volume of traffic flow movement. Next is type of intersection and choices. For a design aspect, intersection can be also divided according to whether they are uncontrolled priority, that is stopping, giving way, space sharing, that is roundabout, and time sharing, that is traffic signal control, and grade suppression, grade spread, that is interchange. Let us discuss about these divisions of intersection and the choices. First four category are given by Indian Road Congress Code, that a special publication in 1994 are uncontrolled at a grade, priority control, spreading, that is a signalized intersection at grade, and a space spreading, that is grade spreading intersection. First one is uncontrolled at grade. Let us discuss about uncontrolled at grade, that is they are the intersection between any two roads with a relative low volume of traffic, and traffic of neither the road are preceded over the other, that is uncontrolled at grade. There will be a two road which is relatively with a low volume traffic, or a traffic or neither roads, and priority controlling, there is a theoretical or no delay occur on the major roads and vehicle, and no minor roads are controlled by giving away or stopping sign. This is priority control. There will be a no minor roads control, that is giving way and stopping. In that the major roads will be attached in this heavy traffic can flow with design speed of vehicle. Next one is time spreading and signalized intersection at grade. These are the widely seen road intersection with traffic signal. As we can see in traffic signal, there will be a wide intersection of road intersection with traffic signal, and this is called a time spreading or signalized intersection at grade. Next one is space grading and space separation or grading separation intersection. This intersection facilitates the movement at a different level for the vehicle and pedestrian. For example, of such type includes intersection with flyover or underpassage. This space spreading, which shows that in a high moving traffic lane vehicles, there should be no bypass, or if we are giving a bypass, it should be flyover bridge or subways for bypassing the human and safety movement of the passenger. Next one is road intersection and the type based on geometric. Here are the based on geometric. It can be T shape or Y shape or scissor, cross, staggered or switched multiple way. These are the intersection can be therefore be divided into different types of basic on their geometric design. Let us discuss about these topics. This figure illustrates about the same above. These are the T and the H turning roadways. This is the Y turning roadways, and this is arm channelizing, and this road is staggered intersection, as you can see in this image, and you can clearly understand about what is T road turning, what is H road turning, what is Y with turning road, and what is arm channelized and staggered intersection. Next one is intersection at grade. Let us see about intersection at grade. Also called intersection at grade is also called as at grade intersection. All the area leg of the intersection join or cross at the same level. The basic traffic mononos such as diverting, merging, and crossing are used at grade intersection. This grade intersection is also called as at grade intersection, means at the area where the intersection takes place, at area or leg of intersection where joints or crossing at the same level. Sometimes the alignment may be modified to achieve a right angled cross section, which means that some area the alignment will be modified to achieve right angle for cross movement of the vehicles and the safety of movement of vehicles. These are very commonly in the view of their relative economic, vice versa grid separations, and relatively Indian Road Congress recommended to contained in IRC SP 41 guideline, that is for designing of at grade intersection in a rural and urban area, and this road congress in New Delhi was developed in 1994, and this only given the variation of about the road and the intersection at grade. About this, according to Indian Road Congress, they started to follow in rural areas and urban areas, as this is the basic form of at grade intersection are shown. As I have told you earlier that there are T joints, cross sectional roads, Y joints, scissor or screwed cross screwed junction, staggered junction, staggered or screwed junction, and multiple leg junction. As you can see, this line shows the road direction of, and these roads are given named as T cross road, Y joints, scissors or screwed, starter junction, started with screwed junction, multiple leg junction. Visible at intersection. This aspect has already been covered in a section 3.4 under the lateral or intersection side distance. Visible at intersection, which means that there should be visibility to take side distance and take over taking distance without a collision, that is intersection side distance. When both the intersecting road are of equal importance, the side distance for the driver approaches the intersection is the safe SST, that is stopping side distance for the design speed on a particular arm. If suppose if the driver, if this both the lanes, if this lane and this lane is in the same level, there will be a proper stopping side distance and taking turn, and this will be safety for the driver to take overturn, and this intersection will provide a safety moment to a driver as well as the passenger. The diagonal of a side or a visible triangle should be clear of an obstruction for a non-signalized intersection. In the case of priority junction, the traffic on a minor road is controlled by stopping or giving way traffic signal or a road marking. These are the signals which will be provided for giving away or stopping in a prior junction for a minor roads or for the safety movement of a traffic and smooth movement of traffic flow. Next one is width of carriageway at an intersection. Here are the some of the values which shows the width of intersection of a carriageway. It has already been seen that the width of the carriageway needed to increase on a horizontal curve to contract or ill effect of the centrifugal force. As we know that when there will be a U-turn or an intersection, there will they need the carriageway will, should be extended, because the horizontal curve should be increased, because there will be on the vehicle wheels there will be centrifugal force acting on the vehicle wheels, and so the two wheels will be here and the two wheels will be here, so that the movement in this way will be in proper form. Let us see the table. The width of carriageway at an intersection according to Indian Road Congress. The inner radius and design speed. The inner radius is 10.5 and design speed is 18, and in single lane the length of the carriageway will be 5.5, in double it will be 11.5. According to that only, if the inner radius is 150, the design speed will be 64, and in single lane the width of the carriageway will be 4.5, and in double lane the width of the carriageway will be 8. Next is speed changing lane. While entering into or leaving into an intersection, the driver has to necessarily change their speed. While entering into the intersection, the speed is reduced to a safe limit at which the intersection may be negotiated. If such deceleration or acceleration is accomplished on the regular carriageway, the traffic could be disrupted or even hazardous or accident may occur. So, when we are interchanging our lane or when we are going to different lane, there should be a safe movement, and the speed design speed of the vehicle should be reduced in a safe design speed. And if they are moving in safe design speed, the vehicle will go in safety, as well as the passenger on the vehicle will be in safety mode without colliding the natural without colliding or without harming the government property, as well as your safety your property with safe movement. To prevent this speed changing lane, to provide on a superior highway like expressway on or on national highways, such lanes are also increase the capacity of intersection. As we know that while intersection between the highway or expressway, the width of the intersection payment the width of the payment will be extended, so that when they are intersecting, there should be no collision between the vehicles and they should move in safety. Next one is speed changing lanes. As you can see in this image, there will be how they can change their lane. According to Indian Road Congress, recommended that speed changing lane to be provided if the projected traffic on this lane is more than 1000 PCU per day. That is when the public transport is moving in per day more than 1000, and the speed changing lane in either accelerated or decelerated lane, deaccelerated lane. As you can see, this is the full width and the taper. This shows here they can go out of this lane, and they can continue the movement of the they can continue in same design speed, and here they can enter without colliding with another vehicle. They can safely enter into a lane and move with properly, and they can go with a safe movement. And this image shows the speed changing lane for accelerating and deaccelerating of lanes. Next one is channelizing. As you can see here are some of the images which channelize the island with a funnel intersection with a external with existing exit throat, sharp entrance curve at a flat exit for a speed control, and last one is channelizing to protect the right turn traffic. As you can see here, so here it can be right turn, here it can be right turn, and here can be move in normally, and there will be no collision. And this shows how we can channelizing means directing the traffic flow at an intersection to a specified path by means of traffic marking and traffic island or such traffic controlling aid. These are the traffic island which indicates and they provide the safety movement of vehicles, and they channelize the traffic flow according to the direction, and they provide the safety movement of the vehicle. Next one is the objective of channelizing of intersections are reducing the numbers of possible vehicle conflicts and the area of conflicts in the carriageway. This channelizing will reduce the possible vehicle conflicts, that means collision of vehicles as well as the conflicts of area in the carriageway, and presenting the driver with only one opposition at the time, controlling the angle of crossing such that actually accurate crossing which are hazardous and avoided, reducing the approach speed of vehicle at intersection and increase the existing speed for the intersection, which means that reducing the approach speed. when we are approaching at the intersection, we should reduce the speed and increase the speed at existing speed of the intersection, and providing a separate storage pocket for a right turning traffic at the time of leaving or crossing the main traffic flow. So we should give a separate storage pocket for a right turning, and if the traffic island is provided, there will be no conflict, because there because the channelizing of traffic will be done in proper manner, and there will be no conflict between the vehicle as well as between the areas. Summary of this lecture is all about the road intersection, the general area where two or more highways joins or crossing, within which includes the carriageway and roadside design features with facilitating ordinary traffic movement in that area. An intersection leg is that a part of any one of the highway radiating from an intersection which is outside of the area of the intersection properly, which means that while intersecting we should move in proper form, and there should be breaking of speed or reducing the speed in a safe moving speed design, and this will channelizing will produce, and this road marking as well as the road intersection will provide you a safety movement of vehicle as well as the safety movement of passenger. I have referred from online source SK Kannan book, Rita publication book. Thank you for listening this lecture. If you have any doubt, you can contact me and clear your doubt. Thank you.